Hello guys, what's up? My name is KHUSHAL and I'm back with a new video. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download latest movies. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright, so the website name is tufatel.com. I don't know if I spell properly or not, but the link is given in the description. So go and check out and visit this website. So guys, you need uTorrent for this. So download uTorrent first. If you don't know how to download uTorrent, so you can check out this video in the cards. And I have another YouTube channel, you can check out that also, and please subscribe to that, I really appreciate it. So guys, so for example, I want to download a movie Forever My Girl. So as you can see, and just search for a second, you can just cut this space and scroll down until you can find a C movie, this 2018 movie. Just open it. And as you can see, you can download, if you want, you can download from 720p or full HD 1080p. Just click over here. You can just simply, it will open a new page, you can just simply cut that or click once again over here. As you can see over here, the torrent files, when you will click over here, it will open a torrent and just click OK and it will start downloading. It will take time, so I will skip the video and I will be right back when this is complete download. Welcome back, the movie is download, so let's check out. Forever Michael, yeah, there you go. I will just stop the sound. As you can see, the clarity of the movie. That's all guys. So guys, if you enjoy, so leave a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out. Bye friends.